How to save your draft video on TikTok without posting it. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to save your TikTok draft video without posting it, then here's the easiest guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, simply go and open up the TikTok application from your phone, and from the TikTok homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now, once you're here inside the profile, go ahead and open up the draft video that you have, or you can make it directly. So I already have a draft video here, so you'll get to see this is the draft video. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. You'll get to see the video is playing. So if you go through the next process, the video will be posted. So if you want to save the video without posting, here you get to see the down arrow button here. Just need to go ahead and tap on this, and then scroll down. Get to see the save option. Go ahead and tap on save, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Now if I get back from here and open up my gallery, you'll get to see the video has been saved, and this is how you actually can save your draft video without posting it. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.